Hi, it's Troy Coleman from ITIDEAS here. Today, we have a quick tutorial on how to log in to Passportal. If you're not familiar with Passportal, please feel free to check out our previous video that outlines the importance of having a password manager. When you're first getting started, you'll need to set up your account in order to use Passportal. You'll receive an email from noreply@passportalmsp.com that looks just like this. Click Activate Account, and you will be directed to a website where you can set up your account. When you reach the website, as an extra security measure, before you type in any information, double check the URL to ensure you are at itideas-c.mypassportalapp.net and that your connection is secure by checking for the lock icon. If everything checks out, you can begin filling out the details to create your account, starting with your password. When creating your password, make sure to use something that is secure but easy for you to remember. You will not want to write this down anywhere for security's sake. We recommend a password that is at least 12 characters long that uses a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, avoid using any kind of personal information in your password, and do not use a password that you have previously used on a different website. Next, enter your phone number and then choose an answer for each of the 3 security questions. These may be used to verify a login or help recover your account in case you lose a password. Finally, you'll need to type in your organization key. This is a password that is shared within your entire organization that acts as an added level of security by encrypting all your information. You should treat this like a password. Never write it down, and don't share it with anyone outside of your organization. Now you're all set. Click Activate Account, and you will be redirected to the website. Congratulations, your Passportal account is now set up. To log into Passportal on a day-to-day basis, you will need to navigate to the proper URL. Enter itideas.mypasswordapp.net. Depending on the region you are logging in from, this URL will be redirected accordingly. Reach out to our support team if you require assistance. Once you're on the proper login site, you'll need 3 pieces of information to log in. The username will just be your email address associated with the account. For example, user@companyxyz.com. Next, you'll need to type in your password. This is unique to your account. And finally, type in your organization key. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll likely be asked to enter a TOTP. TOTPs, or time-based one-time passcodes, are a form of 2-factor authentication. This is where a password is sent to your phone that you must enter on the website upon logging into your account. These passwords will change and expire every 30 seconds, requiring a unique code for each login. This acts as an additional layer of security to prevent attackers from accessing your sensitive information. If you do not have a TOTP set up with your account already, we highly recommend doing so. Once you have all the information typed in, you're good to go. Click Login, and you should be directed to the main menu of your Passportal account. If you're new to Passportal and aren't quite sure how to navigate the interface, make sure you check out our video that takes you on a quick tour of the features that Passportal offers. And if you would like to know more about how to get Passportal set up for your organization, don't hesitate to contact us at sales@itideas.com or by phone at 604-986-8568 extension 1. Once again, my name is Troy Coleman from ITIDEAS, and I look forward to helping you better protect yourself and your organization.